Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 12, June 2014, question 31. A piece of uncoated iron and three pieces of iron with various coatings were left exposed to the air. Which piece of iron would rust? Easy, the uncoated one. Because whatever is coating the iron, if it is more reactive than iron, then it would react with oxygen. And if it is something that is preventing oxygen from reacting with iron, so iron would not react. So let's see. The painted piece, yes, the paint would prevent iron from reacting with oxygen, so this will not rust. The tin coated piece, the tin would react with oxygen and not iron. The uncoated piece, iron would directly react with oxygen, and the zinc coated piece, zinc would react with oxygen. Therefore, option C is the correct option for this question. Question 32. Which compound would not be an effective fertilizer? So for a compound to be an effective fertilizer, it must contain nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. These are the essential nutrients for plant growth. So all three or either of them must be present in a compound for it to be an effective fertilizer. So options are ammonium nitrate. This contains nitrogen. Calcium oxide contains neither. So this is not an effective fertilizer. Calcium phosphate contains phosphorus and potassium nitrate contains potassium. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 33. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide are air pollutants. Which row correctly shows their major source? So motor car engines, the major source for nitrogen dioxide, because nitrogen dioxide forms because of the high temperatures of the car engine. And we have carbon monoxide because of incomplete combustion of fuel. So sulfur dioxide is produced by motor car engines, but in very small quantities. So options C and D have been eliminated. And since B contains NO2, B should be the correct option, eliminating option A as well. And power stations. Power stations is the major source of sulfur dioxide. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 34. Which process does not produce carbon dioxide? Combustion of methane. Methane is a hydrocarbon. It will produce carbon dioxide. Fermentation of sugar. Fermentation of sugar produces ethanol and carbon dioxide. Polymerization of ethene. This will form polyethylene. There is no production of carbon dioxide in this reaction. Respiration. Respiration burns sugar and produces CO2 and H2O. So option C is the correct option for this question. Question 35. Which pollutant gas is produced by the decomposition of vegetation? So decomposition of vegetation produces methane. So the options are carbon monoxide, no. Methane, yes. Nitrogen oxide, no. Sulfur dioxide, no. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 36. Which diagram shows the structure of pentanoic acid? So pentanoic means 5 carbon are present. Let's count the carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all of them have five carbon atoms. Now, since it's a carboxylic acid, it should have the COOH group. So in option A, we've got the OH group present, which is an alcohol group. So A is incorrect. In B, we've got the alcohol group and another alcohol group. So two alcohol groups present. B is incorrect. In C, we've got the double bond and not the COOH group. C is incorrect. In D, we've got the carboxylic acid group present. So option D is pentanoic acid, making D the correct option for this question. Question 37. The table shows the composition of four different types of petroleum or crude oil. Which type of petroleum is best for motor vehicle industry? So motor vehicle industry requires gasoline and kerosene as, or rather diesel, not kerosene, diesel oil as its major source. So the one with the maximum percentage of gasoline is North Sea, and also the maximum percentage of diesel oil is present in the North Sea variety of petroleum. So the most suitable petroleum is the North Sea variety for the motor vehicle industry, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 38. The diagram shows the cracking of a substance X. So we have a cotton wool soaked in X, we have heating a catalyst, and we are collecting a gas Y. Which type of organic compound is found in Y, which is not present in X? Acid. Acid is present in neither. Alcohol is present in neither. Alkane is present in X as well as in Y. Could be in Y as well. So this is not it. Alkene. Alkene is present in Y and not in X because cracking produces alkenes, and hydrogen. So alkene is one of the products that is produced, which is not the part of, or rather, which is not the uh, functional group of the parent compound, which is X. X is an alkane. So this makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 39. In which reaction could one of the products belong to the same homologous series as the organic reactant? Reactant and product are in the same homologous series. Okay. Addition of steam to ethene. So this is alkene going to alcohol. Combustion of alkane. This is alkane going to CO2 and H2O. Cracking of alkane. So this is alkane going to alkane plus alkene plus hydrogen gas, and polymerization of ethene is alkene going into polyalkene, and polyalkene is basically an alkane because the double bond opens up and the monomers are added together in the polymer chain, in which all carbon atoms are forming four single bonds, making it saturated. So the only reaction out of these four in which the reactants and products are same is cracking of alkane, because we've got alkane as a reactant and an alkane produced as a product. So this makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 40. Ethanol is produced from either ethene or sugar. Which type of chemical reaction is used in each case? So ethene to ethanol, the reaction is addition because steam is added on to alkene or ethene. So this eliminates options C and D. And in the conversion of sugar to ethanol, we use the process of fermentation and not fractional distillation, eliminating option B and making option A the correct option for this question.